In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for UX and design teams. Jira can be a great tool for managing design work, especially when you want better visibility, clearer collaboration, and a smoother handoff between design and development. The key is to set it up in a way that supports how design teams actually work. To begin, open Jira and create a dedicated project or board just for design work. Go to Projects, then Create Project, and choose either a Kanban or Scrum board depending on your team's process. For most design teams, Kanban works well because it gives you a flexible visual workflow. Give the project a clear name, something like UX and design work, so everyone immediately understands its purpose. Next, set up design-specific issue types. In Project Settings, go to Issue Types and add or use options like Design Task, UX Research, Wireframe, and Prototype. Try to keep these simple and consistent. The goal is to make it easy for the team to categorize work without overcomplicating the system. When new design work comes in, create a separate issue for every design request. Inside each issue, include the goal or problem statement, any screenshots or references, and the expected outcome. Clear descriptions are especially important for design because visual context often makes a huge difference. The more organized the request is, the easier it will be to act on. From there, use the board view to track the workflow. Set up columns such as Backlog, InDesign, Review, Approved, and Done. As work moves forward, drag tasks across the board so everyone can see status at a glance. This creates transparency and helps prevent work from getting stuck. For each issue, attach the relevant design files and links. Upload images, PDFs, or other supporting assets, and paste links to tools like Figma or Adobe XD. Keeping everything inside the Jira issue helps your team avoid scattered files and missing context. Use comments to manage feedback directly on the issue. Add notes there, and use mentions to bring in designers or stakeholders when needed. Centralizing feedback makes it easier to track decisions and reduces confusion across long review cycles. You can also break larger tasks into subtasks for each design stage, such as research, wireframing, UI design, prototyping, and handoff to development. This gives the team a more detailed view of progress and makes larger projects easier to manage. To support collaboration with engineering, open a design issue, click Link Issue, and connect it to related development stories or bugs. This helps create a smoother handoff and keeps teams aligned. Finally, use labels and components to stay organized. Add labels like mobile, web, or redesign, and use components for specific products or features. This makes filtering easier and helps your design work stay structured as the project grows.